In Chinese, like any language, there are word patterns. These are really useful to learn because you hear them over and over again, whether trying clothes on in shops, trying new foods in markets, or trying new dishes in restaurants. You guessed it, we are looking at the word pattern to try something. The verb to try is 试. But when you're telling someone to try something, you say 试试看 or 试看看. It's like try and see how it is.
这个很好玩哦，你试试看。
You can say 试试看 in any situation. However, instead of 试, native speakers might use a more specific verb which describes the thing being tried. It's like in English, you can say try this or try listening to this. Both are fine. But note that the 看 part remains. For example, you can say 吃吃看, 听听看, 闻闻看, and so on. Let's look more closely at this pattern. In fact, there are two options for the speaker to choose from. Option 1. Repeat the verb. So you'd say 吃吃看, i.e., you repeat the verb 吃. Option 2. Repeat 看. So you'd say 吃看看, i.e., you repeat 看. But when you want to say have a look, check it out, don't say 看看看. You should say 看看. Just remember how much you like the 看看. Using this logic, let's look at 5 other common verbs with examples.
我的钥匙呢？
不知道，你去房间找找看。
这件衣服你穿穿看，很好看。火车站要怎么走？
不知道哎，去找警察问问看。
这个问题好难。
不要担心，我们一起来想想看。
你送我什么？
你猜猜看。
You might wonder what this verb duplication is all about. Basically, verb duplication softens your command so it sounds less direct. For example, 帮帮我, meaning help me, compared to 帮我, it sounds more like a request and less like a command. Same goes with 教教我, meaning teach me. It sounds more gentle than just 教我. Taiwanese people have the tendency to sound polite and indirect. That's why we use this pattern a lot and also love to say 不好意思. I've sketched a reel about this on Instagram. Check it out if you want Chinese language tidbits about my life here on the beautiful island of Taiwan.